You searched how to buy shares of Hbt Financial Inc. D, a regional banking company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HBT. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy HBT, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HBT to find the company listing. Then select the matching Hbt Financial Inc. /D entry on NASDAQ to open its page. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm basic details. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker HBT so you have the correct stock. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order, and confirm to place it. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.